Okay, it's time for Jenny's countdown to Christmas day 2. So let's see what's inside this bag. Okay, I'm so excited to see what is inside this bag. But first, I want to let you know that at the end of this video, I am going to let you know the value, the running total of the value of the products, as long as I can keep figuring it out. I was able to figure out the value of bag 1. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned and I'll try to do that in each video. But first I just want to dive in so we can see what is inside here. Okay, oh, as I open this, I'll also say, I am going to try to put in the description links to the products that have come in the bag so that if you are interested in them, it's easy for you to find them. So it wasn't a box, but it's a little cute stand for threads. That'll come in handy because I have subscriptions to the Sew Sampler from the Fat Quarter Shop, and I have a subscription to the Pre-Cuts Quilt Shop. So this will come in really handy. And let's see. 16, it'll hold 16 threads, and it says this is from June Taylor. So not as exciting as day 1, but will definitely come in handy. And if I ever get this room nice and organized, I could have it sitting up and looking really cute in videos. But if you've been following me for a while, you probably know that like everything just kind of remains a mess. So that probably won't ever be me. But it's a nice thought, right? So give me 1 minute and we'll make it look nice and cute. So how adorable is that? If I was the type of person that really wanted to make everything look perfect and cute, I could like do this in a nice color scheme and it would look great sitting in the back of my sewing videos. But this is how it will likely stay until I use them. But I think it's cute. I really do. I think the zippers and everything were probably more fun because I'm much more into actually doing crafts than, you know, the little trinkets and organizing things like that. I mean, those threads were just thrown in like a little box that I have. So that's kind of more who I am. But, you know, I think there are going to be people who are super, super excited about getting one of those. So like I said, the pattern in the zipper that we got in day 1. So I took little notes, and what I could find on the Missouri Star Quilt Company site is that the zippers are $2.75 each, but right now they are on sale for $2.25. So since we got 2 of those, that would be about $4.50. I was like, I didn't write all of that down. The pouch pattern, so the little pattern here, since it's not a digital pattern, I did look up the actual paper pattern. There are digital patterns on this site as well. I believe that one was $3.95, but I took notes only for the paper pattern since that's what we received. So the pouch pattern is $9, but it's on sale right now for $4.95. So the total for day 1 is $9.45. I obviously just unboxed the thread holder, so I don't know the pricing on that yet, but I will try to find it on the site or something similar just to give an idea and a link to something like that if you are interested. But the link to the zippers and this pattern will be in the description when this video posts. So the pattern is adorable. I think I'm going to try to work on it and let you guys know how easy it is, and do a little review on that and how easy these zippers are to work with because they're really adorable. I've never worked with these kind of pattern zippers before. I have just used the ones that, you know, you tuck inside and do a little top stitch over, but I'm excited to try them out. All right, you guys, so I will be back here tomorrow with more unboxing bagging, unboxing for you. So that'll be day 3. Should I even bother guessing again what it is? It honestly feels like a fabric, oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank on them, and I use pre-cuts all the time, like the little 5-inch squares. So it feels like a pack of those. That'd be really exciting if it is. It's probably not. It's probably like couple like little coasters or something, because I've been terrible at guessing what's inside of them. I'm gonna go with fabric this time, but we'll see tomorrow. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. This has been really fun so far. I'm excited to see what is in more of these boxes, and we still have a ton to go because it goes all the way up to Christmas Day, so day 25, and we're only going to be on day 3 tomorrow. So thanks you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.